Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, last week's episode ended with Umangobo hosting a modeling competition at the tavern at Shwabi's tavern. So anyway, this scene starts from that type of scene where there was the modeling competition, how the modeling competition ended. Unomalanga, which is Usfiso's younger sister, she won. And then Unomfundo, who is Uzethu's sister, was the runner-up princess. So now obviously everyone is there at Taverni. They are congratulating the girls Gumnandi. Now guys, remember Unomusa, the girl who threw her child at toilet, and Usfiso amthethelela so that girl doesn't go to prison. She's busy there, guys, busy flirting nenye daughter. So that guy is saying to Unomusa, asambe siela payanendlini, asambe. He's busy hlebezering in her ear. She looks at him, aphakame guys, and she leaves with the guy. I'm just like, Unomusa, there she is going, guys, going to make another baby, because tell me, where is she going to instead of going back to Inganzake? Anyway, we see Ushwabi heading to the top 3 Angitino modeling competition. They choose the top 3 princesses. One is queen, and then there's a runner-up, but there's 2 runner-up girls, and then the queen, the one who wins the competition. So Ushwabi, being the tavern owner, he goes over to the girls. He's like, "Siyanibongisa, nisebenzile niyezwa?" And then they all say, "Siyabonga, siyabonga." Then he walks away. Unomfundo runs over to a friend, Unomalanga, because Unomalanga and Unomfundo are best friends. So Unomfundo's like, "Congrats." Unomalanga's like, "Ngiyabonga, oh ngiyabonga." Unomfundo's like, "Hayi unqobile umanqoba wethu." Unomalanga zakhe, "How kodwa ukuwina kwami ukuwina kwethu angithi." Unomfundo zakhe, Unomalanga zakhe ungakhohlwa lokho. Then other people come, they come and congratulate Unomalanga. Unomfundo, you can see she's kind of feeling left out. She kind of feels like she was the one who's supposed to win. Maybe she was the one who's supposed to win, but when she was doing her speech, guys, she did get some sort of stage fright, and she froze. So maybe that impacted it. But you can see which Unomfundo, she's happy for her friend, but she still feels as if she was the one. So as everyone's coming, surrounding Unomalanga, Unomfundo's left there in the corner alone. And then Uvusi, who is the younger brother, I don't know the younger or the older, I guess the older brother, Unomalanga, comes over to Unomfundo. He's like, "Unomfundo, congratulations." Unomfundo's like, "How? I'm not the one who won." And he's like, "No, but we all know that you are the one who deserved to win. But I just want to say, I know you are the one who deserved to win, and you look beautiful and whatnot." But you can see Unomfundo is blushing. I don't know if they are planning something there, guys, with the story. Uvusi uzothandana noNomfundo. I don't even know if that's going to even make izinto more worse between Usfiso and Uzethu fighting for their siblings. Asazi, we will see. Anyway, next scene, guys, Unomusa, she left Ingane with her dad. Her dad, lapayana, guys, ushishizela ingane. This child that was thrown there in the toilet, Ingane, he's asking himself, what's Unomusa, because at this point she should be home. The other child is like, "Babam kulingilambile mina." Guys, he opens the Britain, aguna sinkwa, imbiza zimdaka lapayana. Guys, it's just a mess. He's trying to call Unomusa, phone ivaliwe. I'm just like, this girl. But you know what, guys, I always say what I love about Homecoming is that it speaks about the reality of what happens around us. Who doesn't know a girl like Unomusa, who has many children, will leave her children with relatives, with her mother, with her father, with sisters, or with the other older children, and then go out gallivanting with another man? Anyway, and next scene we see Usfiso usendumbeni yakhe ekuseni, and listen, Usfiso is not okay. Last week's episode also ended, guys, with Usfiso coming to uZethu's yard to come and see ukuthi how is ubaba uZenzo doing. uZethu wamnqabela. Zethu doesn't want uSifiso anywhere near her dad. As uSifiso is trying to ask and he's like, Zethu, ungayenzi lento. Your father came to me willingly. uShobane just showed up out of the blue egg-18. When uZethu saw uShobane, she thought to herself, good shot. She runs to Shobane. She's like, oh, Shobemski. She hugs him and she kisses him. Pamwa Sifiso. She just continues having a conversation. No Shobane nje kanjalo. uSifiso, obviously, his heart is broken because this is the woman ekhethwe yidlozi to be his second wife, and he walked off nje kanjalo. So today, uSendumbeni, he's talking with his ancestors. Guys, his heart is broken for what uZethu did. No Shobane phambi kwakhe. So anyway, he then says, ngiyakhulela kunina Bokhathide. Ngizobika kunina ukuthi anginayo inhloso yokuphikisana nalokhu eningitshele khona. Intokazi le yakwaNgwane akafuni to be my wife emagcekeni oKhathide. I'm here to plead to you, Bokhathide. I'm asking nje to step back from my pursuit ukuthi ngimlande ngimlethe la emagcekeni. Kodwa-ke ngiyanithemba Bokhathide. I'm trusting that you will come together with Zethu Hlongwane's ancestors. Nifike nimvula amehlo alibone ikusasa lakhe. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, we see uZenzo. He is sitting ekishini, guys. He is trying to eat porridge kodwa akungeni. uZethu walks into ekishini uphethe amanzi eglasini namapilisi. She sits next to uZenzo and she looks at him like to say ukuthi uzokulinda ukuthi uliqede lelo phalishi so that uzowathatha lamapilisi akho whether you like it or not. uZenzo sees ukuthi uZethu is just staring at him as he's eating. He looks up and then he says to her in an irritated voice, yazi mawuqhubeka ukungigqolozela kanje ngizogcina sengikhwinqa ukudla manje. uZethu then says, nxese baba, angiqondile uqina. Unjani umdoko wakho? uZenzo then says, yazi if it's not uMashabalala negimi wena ozenzini nesi yokuqala la emhlabeni uFlorence Nightingale. uZethu then says, baba yazi sikufunela okuhle kuphela. uZenzo then says, what you should be doing njengamanje yikuthi ubuyele emsebenzini. Ziyakudinga iguli zakho laphayana. Ngizowaphuza lamapilisi mengiqeda lokudla. uZethu then says, kanti-ke ungakhululeka wengwane. Nginesikhathi sonke nje. Ngifuna ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi ngempela uyawaphuza lamapilisi. uZenzo then says, shithi ngempela awugcini ngokungigolozela kuphela. Uzofuna ukungangihloniphi ngokucabanga ukuthi lento engiyikhulumayo angikhuluma iqiniso. uZethu then says, baba yazi mina ngifuna ukusiza nje kuphela. uZenzo then says, ngithe ngizowaphuza lamapilisi angizwa ukuthi ngithini. uZethu then says, okay. She gets up, guys. She takes her handbag and a lunch bag and she heads out of the house. On her way to work, uZenzo gets up, he checks the coast, he goes le ekhabatheni, he takes imbiza out, he pours it for himself eglasini, guys, and he drinks it. Guys, this man is adamant ukuthi listen, imbiza kaSifiso ezomphilisa, not amapilisi kaZethu. Anyway, next scene, we see uZethu. She is at M17 office in lakhe. She is busy there umatasa when there's a knock on her door. When she looks up, she's like, oh, kanti it's uShobane, guys. He is carrying coffee for both him and uZethu. uShobane then says, sawubona wedali. uZethu then says, sawubona. uShobane then says, ngikulethele okuncane nje to make you smile today. uZethu then says, how? Ngiyabonga Shobane. She takes the coffee. Nathi uyazi that usuku lwami has just been hectic. uShobane then says, ayingibonile nje ngenkathi ngena lana ukuthi kungishiwile lana. uZethu then says, awusho-ke ulethwa yini okuhambeni clinic. uShobane then says, ngikukhumbulile dali, bengifuna uzozibonela wena nje, plus ngifuna ukuqonda ukuthi umqondo wakho ukuphi. uZethu then says, okay. uShobane then says, nangokuthi-ke ngifuna izinto between mina nawe zilunge and for us to go back to the way things were. Are we on the same page mina nawe? uZethu then says, ungasho into enjalo nje. uShobane then says, "Ayike, that's music to my ears. Ngiyajabula ukuzwa lokho. Indebe yami iyachithima." But you can see which was there, it was not exactly comfortable, you guys. He goes on to say, "Ngiyakuthanda mahlongwane. Angifuni lutho ezowenzeka phakathi kwethu. Ngiyakuthanda." uZethu then says, ngiyakuzwa. uShobane then says, "And everything that we've been through together, it just goes to show that we have a bright future ahead of us." uZethu then says, "Yeah, but uZethu is not convincing, guys." uShobane then says, "Ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi wena uthini. Ungivulele isifuba, usibeke la ngisibone. Ngizwe ukuthi uzizwa kanjani and where you are mentally. Ngoba ngesikhathi ngikubona izolo, ungibingela." As he's speaking there, uZethu then says, yazi kuzomele ngibuyele emsebenzini weShobane. Guys, uShobane wanted to remind her of the fact that when he came to her place, she hugged him and greeted him with a kiss. So the fact that uZethu is trying to mize him and never mind that whole situation means the only reason she did that was to make uLokuzana uSifiso jealous, or to get uSifiso off her case. And then uShobane then says, emsebenzini, uZethu then says, "Yeah, now ubonile ngenkathi ungena ukuthi uyisiphithiphithi kanjani. Uyazi nawe le ndawo ukuthi njani. We can discuss this later." Angithi uShobane then says, "Oh, cha, akusenani. Athi ngidedele usebenze." uZethu then says, "Ngibonge kakhulu ngekhofi Shobane." He leans in to kiss her. uZethu turns away and she gives him a cheek to kiss. He then says, "Okay, athi ngikudedele. Sengizokuthinta ntambama." And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, uZethu's playing with hot water because it looks like she wants to keep uShobane around so that uSifiso backs off. But keeping uShobane around is just giving him hope. Ukuthi, you know what? Maybe she still might have feelings for him. Anyway, and next scene, we see uNomalanga and uNomfundo they are walking back from esikolweni. So uNomfundo then says, "Yazi beziningi izinto ebezenzeka ngesikhathi esodwa. Bengishawa uvalo, izandla ziqhaqhazela." They laughing. uNomfundo is recalling the time when she was doing the competition. She goes on to say, "Angisayiphathi iyayale yesigaba ebengihleli la entameni." Yeah, I've never done a speech like that before. uNomalanga then says, "Bekusabisa ne?" uNomfundo then says, "Sabuza." They both laughing. She goes on to say, "Kodwa ke akubonakalanga kanjalo kuwena. You did so well. Uzithembile futhi bowuzimisele." uNomalanga then says, "Khona ungasho kanjalo, but you know what I'm grateful for?" uNomfundo then says, "Yini?" uNomalanga then says, "Yilento yokuhlola." uNomfundo, you can see ukuthi she's bored. uNomfundo then says, "It taught me to be able to face many people because usually ekuhloleni we are naked while there's many people." uNomfundo then says, "Hayi cha mngani." uNomalanga then says, "Lalela, iyafana lento." uNomfundo then says, "Kanjani?" uNomalanga then says, "Lo mama esuka ekuhlola asimazi angithi. That time uyakhlala with judgments written all over her face. You feel ingathi your self-worth isezandleni zakhe. Nami ke, I felt exposed at that competition. It's the same thing." uNomfundo then says, "Yebo, kodwa ematshitshini umama oyedwa. I'm talking about more than 50 people. Behleli bebhekile nje." uNomalanga then says, "Awungizwa wena. Hundreds of people got to judge me after I got that white dot on my forehead." uNomfundo then says, "Yeah, okay, ke ngiyakuzwa." uNomalanga then says, "Yeah, vele fanele ungizwe how." uNomfundo then says, "Both things lead to judgment." uNomalanga then says, "Kodwa ke mesikhuluma iqiniso. Do you think that the competition was fair?" uNomfundo then says, "Sabuza, mina ngitheni? Ngithe umanqaba unqobile futhi umanqaba ubani? Umnganami omkhulu. So nje mina ngikwi-team ewinayo." uNomalanga then says, "Ngiyabonga." And then she hugs uNomfundo. She then says, "Yabo, ngimtshelini uVusi ukuthi uright wena. Awunankinga wena ngayo yonke lento." uNomfundo then says, "uVusi because ukuthini?" But you can see uNomfundo's kind of blushing. Then uNomalanga then says, "He's been nagging me about ngikutheke ukuthi unjani. uNomfundo then says, "Why?" uNomalanga then says, "Kwaziba Lo mfana can just be random sometimes. Unomfundo then says, abang ukuthi ku-cute bandla. Unomalanga's like, hey, sis man, ku-cute kwani. You meant ukuthi it's random. Unomfundo's like, no, ku-cute. Fuzzy flashing there. You can see ukuthi Unomalanga's a gangster. Her friend having a crush on her brother. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we still Mashabalala. She is busy lapha in the kitchen. UZenzo is sitting estuleni while uMashabalala is busy with dishes. So uMashabalala then says, ukuze ezoyeba ukucefezela phela, mele nawe wengwane uthathe kahle imithi yakho. UZenzo then says, imbizi yangisebenzela mina. Uzisholo ngokwakhe uZethu that I see much better today. uMashabalala then says, hey phela mina angisakwazi ukulinda ukuthi ube ngcono. Khona nizoyeka ukwebhana njengamakati ninendodakazi yakho. As she's speaking like that, next thing they hear someone singing there ngaphandle kanti unga. Angene guys, unga, he is so drunk, he is banging the door. uMashabalala then says, hayi unga. Unga then says, mawami. Uyakhumbula le ngoma wangifundisa yona. Asihlabelele mawami phela is holding her there, busy forcing her to sing. She's like, nga. UZenzo then says, yey wena. Iyona ndlela osokhethe ukuziphatha ngayo ne. Ukuba yisidakwa. Ungena la kwami. Unikisa worship. uMashabalala then says, oh kodwa uNkulunkulu wami senzeni kanti thina engaka emhlabeni. Unga then says, angiyithandi lento yakho yokulokhu uxabana nami. Mina baba, I don't like arguing with you. UZenzo then says, yazi mfanami, awunalutho. Futhi mawuqhubeka uziphethe ngale ndlela oziphethe ngayo, uzofa, ungenalutho. Unga then says, ngiyazama nje. I'm doing my best Hlongwane. uHlongwane athi kuphi la? Unga then says, khona la esigodini. UZenzo then says, dayisela abantu utshwala le etavern ukuzama lokho. Is that your best? Unga then says, baba, amazaba abuhlungu kanje kodwa. He's drunk that time. UZenzo then says, yazi ukuthini? Uyingane yami yokuqala. He starts crying, guys. His tears starts coming. UZenzo, his tears start coming down his cheeks. He then says, Yinkosana yami, I was hoping one day when I'm gone, you take care of my family. Bese ukhetha ukuba yilento. Amadlozi ami ngempela ngiflathele. Unga then says, baba, kuwena, le tavern ingaba yinto engasho lutho. Kodwa kumina, kumsebenzi. Ngiyasebenza nami njenga wonke umuntu lana. Ngiyazama baba, he's crying unga because this is hurting him. UZenzo then says, mfanami uzamani ngempela. Unga then says, ngiyazama baba. UZenzo then says, liphi ikusasa lakho? Ngibonise ikusasa lakho. Isikhathi siyakushiya mfanami. Young man, isikhathi siyakushiya. Izwa amazwi ami. Siyakushiya isikhathi. And the scene just ends like that. Guys, this is sad because it almost seems like Unga was neglected while uBaba uZenzo and uMashabalala took care of uZethu. And it's so true that two siblings can grow up with the same parents and they lead the same household and have two separate different type of childhoods or upbringing. And this is proving the case. Unga apparently is a smart guy, but listen, the way they're treating him or the way they're acting as if he's a nothing, maybe he's working at tavern, guys, because udala ezama imisebenzi, but nothing has been coming up. Or udala apply, but nothing has been working. Oh, sad, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.